Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Awakening Soul. I hope you all are doing very well, and now we have entered into the new lockdown period. Stay strong because we are into this together and we have to follow the rules for our own safety. Um, and I think so far we have been doing very well. I believe that this period has taught all of us a lot of patience and peace with uncertainty, with the unknown. I strongly believe that everything that is happening to us is preparing us for whatever is to come. And yeah, this is so powerful because everything that is just happening to us is preparing us for better that is coming for us, that is going to guide us and our experiences. Welcome to this session, The Power of Choice. The power of choice. Now, before I begin in discussing what do I really mean by the power of choice, I want you to consider in your mind, how do I define choice? It is important. How do I define choice? To me, choice is a valuable virtue because through the power of choice I determine my own experiences by choosing to think differently and respond in a way that is healthy for me. And through the choice I'm taking actions in this moment and the next moment and so on. So my choices are determining the quality of my life and the experiences that I am into. To me, choice is taking 100% responsibility for my own actions, because there is always something is always going to be there that just happens, unexpectedly. Some things are just unwelcome, like this lockdown period for all of us. But when we just take 100% responsibility for our own actions by choosing to think in a way, to act in a way that is healthy for us, then it kind of keeps us in our own power and we are not at the mercy of anything or anyone. And this comes through the power of choice, because then you are choosing what you want to create for yourself. Choice is an act of grace, because when we are in any difficult situation, we have this momentarily sensation of grace, wherein we can decide what do I really want to do with whatever is there in front of me. Yeah. And this is my favorite that I have learned, that choice to me is also like a GPS system. I define it as this way: God placement system. So we have this GPS, God placement system, inside all of us, and it's up to us to choose to listen to it or not. You may call it your gut feeling or your intuition or your this internal guidance. So we have this GPS in all of us, and through our choices we decide whether we want to follow this GPS system that can actually shape our experiences for our own good. And the choice that I'm talking here is about making a responsible choice. First, consider this thing, that a choice is like a cause and effect relationship. If you are participating in the cause, then you cannot escape from its consequences. This brings to this main idea of my session, a responsible choice. A responsible choice is a choice that takes into account the consequences that it will produce. Now, how do you know that you are making the right choice or not, or what is actually healthy or good or not so good? That is that comes through making a responsible choice. I repeat, a responsible choice is the choice that takes into account the consequences that it will produce. So when I say the power of choice is like a cause and effect relationship, meaning if I'm participating in the cause through my choices, whatever I choose to think or do, that is the cause, then I cannot escape from its consequences. And this could save us from blame, criticism, and resentment, because then we are taking 100% responsibility for our own actions by acting and accepting the choices that we have already made. So this is a responsible choice that takes into account the consequences that it will produce. Whenever you are making a choice, you may ask yourself this question: what will this produce for me? Am I ready to accept the consequences? Is this really what I want? You may consider these questions. I repeat, while making a choice, a responsible choice, consider these questions. What will this produce for me? Am I ready to accept the consequences that this choice will bring to me? Is this what I really want? I have some examples for you. See what choice you choose to make. Am I choosing to react, or am I choosing to respond to this situation? Am I choosing the same cycle and recycle of thoughts, or am I choosing to implant new thoughts? Am I choosing to blame and criticize, or am I choosing to forgive and take 100% responsibility for my own actions? Am I choosing to stay in resentment, or am I choosing to forgive? Am I choosing to stay in the egoic mind that judges and criticizes everyone, or am I choosing to be conscious by just being there in this moment and in this moment totally? This is important. Am I choosing to live in the past, or am I choosing to be present in this present moment by accepting the new experiences? Am I choosing to stay stuck with the old memories that is not serving me at all, or am I choosing to participate in this new experiences and the new memories? Am I choosing to stay stuck in the same story, or am I choosing to redefine my experiences? Am I choosing to stay in a victim role or feel victimized, or am I choosing empowerment? Am I coming out as a hero, as a warrior? What do you choose? I repeat, a responsible choice is what I'm talking about. And through this responsible choice, through this powerful factor that we have in our life, we can actually create better experiences for us. A responsible choice is a choice that takes into account all the consequences that it will produce. Okay? And when you consider the consequences of your choice into your decision process, then you are actually consciously creating all of your experiences. Isn't that powerful? And everything that could just keep you away from whatever you want or whatever you want to participate in just comes down to the power of choice. Right in this moment, if you choose something new for yourself, then that's it. You are creating new life and new experiences. So a responsible choice is a choice that takes into account the consequences that it will produce. And before making any choice, ask yourself, is this really I want, and am I ready to accept the consequences it will create for me as well as for others. Okay. Now I would like to give you some homework that will help you to train your mind in making the powerful choice a responsible choice. Write in your diary or in your journal, today I choose to. Write whatever comes in your mind. Today I make a choice to, or today I choose to. I have some examples, like you can write, today I choose to count my blessings. Today I choose to release all the resentment. Today I choose to forgive. Today I choose to think differently. Today I choose to be grateful. So I want you to write whatever comes first in your mind and whatever you want to release, so that you can make new choices for yourself. Today I choose to. Write it down and see how you can make more new responsible choices. Don't forget to take into consideration these questions. What will this choice produce for me? Am I ready to accept the consequences? And is this what I really want? Also, I leave you with the affirmation that will further guide you in making choices. I am responsible for the choices I make and the consequences they create for me. I repeat, I am responsible for the choices I make and the consequences they create for me. Okay, so what do you choose today? Have a responsible day and continue making responsible choices. See you. Thank you.